Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the daily Bitcoin update. What's going on today? A big dump to the downside, and we will check it what's going on. Here is the fear and greed. We have greed in the market with 72 points, and yesterday 75 points greed. Last week extreme in the market with 76 points, and last month also extreme greed. So it's not so much greed as last week and last month, but is greed in the market. Here is the coin market cap and Bitcoin today. You can see it's going down. It's dumping a bit, 4.1%. It's going down in 24 hours and 3% it's going down in 7 days. We have a red bearish chart picture here. You can see it on the right side. Here is Ethereum. Ethereum is dumping more as Bitcoin, 7% to the downside, but in the weekly, it's looking better as Bitcoin with 10%. Yes, the altcoins are mooning, not today, but they are mooning. Binance coin is going down a bit with 6% and 24% in the week. It's going to the upside. Guys, a very important thing. I had a warning video out there for Ethereum yesterday, a warning video on $2,100 a very, very short update. And I hope guys, you saw this Ethereum warning video and you sold there because you're making now good wins with the trade if you're going short with this, or you can rebuy it now. So the next thing is XRP. Dump, big dump, 12% in the minus, but in the week 65% in the plus. ADA, a little dump today, 1.5% in the week. It's going sideways. Polkadot, a minus about 11%, and in the weekly 11% in the plus. Uniswap also a minus today, in the weekly a little plus. Litecoin a minus today, in the weekly a plus. Chainlink a minus today, in the weekly a plus, and so on and so on and so on, guys. That's all the same here. XLM also a weekly plus 18%, but today a minus about 14%, and that's not so the best thing. The best performing coin for today is Celsius, and it's up in 24 hours with 13.5%, in the week 58%. Quantum is going on with 11.6% for the day, and Bitcoin Gold also with 9.17%. What coin is the biggest loser for the day? It's Stacks, 27% in the minus, Crypto.com minus 23.6%, and Dent also in the minus with 20.7%. Oh, Harmony also minus 19%. XLM is also here, 14%. Oh, not so good. So the day is not so good for the cryptos. You can see the dominance of Bitcoin. We have momently a dominance of 56.2%, and the dominance is going down and down and down more. The dominance was over 70%. Now it's on 56.2%, and it's going down. Yes. So guys, here is the quick overview. What's going on the daily? We have a neutral, and a sell here on Tradingview. On the 4 hours, sell, strong sell, throw away your Bitcoin. No guys, seriously, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This is only the technical overview for Tradingview. 1 hour, strong sell, and neutral in 50 minutes, sell. So guys, it's a long time that we saw a picture like this, that we saw a neutral, and a sell on a daily time frame. It's a long time, really a long time. So guys, before we start, here is my Bitcoin trading informant live stream, 24 hours, 7 days a week. You see here a lot of information, and I think all information you need for trading. You see here the 50-minute chart, the buy and sell indicators, the ribbon band, the Fibonacci lines. You see here this triangle momently we are building. We will speak about this later in this video. You see here on the 1 hour chart everything you need, the support lines on the 4 hour chart here also. You see here how much momently are selling, and you see here on the 50 minutes we have sell pressure here. We see all things we need for trading, and this is very important for you guys. On Twitch, the name is Bitcoin Trading Informant, and on YouTube also I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Big greetings out there to Cromlanch, my big boss of the channel. Big greetings also to my nice guys. They are writing here. Just Pro is here, Antempire is here, Hi Klima is here, and Agri Higgins was here, Troll Magulucci. So no, Troll Maguligiuti is also here. Hi Troll, I have to tell this name. I must speak it in the correct Italian. Troll Maguligiuti. Okay, hello. And a lot of nice guys here. Jack McKenzie, and so on and so on and so on. And here are all guys on Twitch and YouTube on the same chart. So it's very nice, guys. Please join me on this channel. So let's start. Here's Bitcoin, and here is a clear Bitcoin chart picture, not the same as yesterday, not a drawing, not a cup and handle, not a no, nothing. We will start today with a clear picture of Bitcoin. So here it is. Every candle is 1 day for sure. Now let's check this. This is the daily chart, and I have a big problem momently with this chart picture. I can show you to you. This one here is a really possible shoulder, head, shoulder. Look at this. It's possible, guys. It's really possible. And maybe we have a baseline from here to here. I will make it, in this opinion, green. It's our support line. And now, guys, if we are breaking this line to the downside, maybe on this point, 54,500, we have maybe a big problem, because this chart picture, this shoulder head shoulder will play out to the downside, and we have a bad target to the downside. If this will play out, this is the target for this picture. Look at this, 39,000. 39,000 is the big thing to the downside. We have to watch this, guys. Very important here. So that's the first thing. The next thing, okay, for sure, we have a nice uptrend line from the downside to the upside, like this here. No problem. We are a long way over this line. Everything is fine. We also have a really nice uptrend channel on this big bull run. This is our big bull run uptrend channel, and that bull run uptrend channel is also working very fine. But guys, you can see here we have lost our support here. The middle line was a long time support. Now on the daily chart, it's not a support and it's going down. If we will close this candle under this support line, we have maybe a problem. I am waiting for this 54,000. This is the next big thing I'm watching. This is maybe a next bounce position, a next buy position, or if it will go down from here, we may have a problem, guys, with our target to the downside. So keep that in your mind. If you are trading, it's possible to play out a shoulder head shoulder pattern, guys. So the next thing is, let's check the indicators. What's going on with RSI? You know my problem, guys. I have a problem with the RSI. Why? You can see the price is growing and growing for Bitcoin, and you can see on the downside, on the relative strength index, the price is going down. That's a bearish divergence. I showed you this on every video, and stay alert with this thing, guys. It would be very, very normal. We have a bearish divergence. We have maybe a shoulder head shoulder. It would be very normal to go down to 39,000, and we are still in a bullish uptrend, guys. Don't forget this. So, okay, let's remove it. Let's check the indicators. Let's check the MACD. MACD, what is telling us? This one, and that's the next big thing on the daily. We have a crossing. The blue line is under the brown line. That's a bearish thing. We are building more and more red candles here, and that's also a bearish thing. So guys, attention, attention, attention momently. Attention. Okay, good. Guys, let's check the next thing. Remove this one here, and let's check the biggest thing I'm watching also, the MA, the moving average, and the moving average 21. I'm always watching the 21 moving average. It's not so important, 20 or 21, but look at this now. I make it, as always, in a big orange line here, so we can better see it. We can see it better, can better see it. What else? So here it is. So you can see what happened, guys, today. What happened today? Now with this candle, you can see it. We spiked under this important line. This important line was always a support here, or here a resistance. And now it's momently a resistance. We are under this line, and if this candle will close in 12 hours here under this line, we have maybe the next big problem to watch, guys. So for the 1 hour, for the 1 day chart, a lot of information for us, but a lot of very, very important information for us, guys. On the 4 hour chart, what's going on here? 4 hour chart, we will check the ribbon band. The ribbon band is on the 4 hour chart, in my opinion, one of the biggest things we have to watch, because this is our support or resistance. What's going on here? And you can see it, a bad sign. A long position since here, a green ribbon chart. And now, guys, look at this. We have lost our MA21 on the 4 hour chart. We've lost our ribbon band on the 4 hour chart. And now we're diving to the downside. On the 4 hour chart, our next big thing to watch is this one. This is the EMA 200, 55,400, the next big support. Guys, we are now, you can see it, we are now losing our big supports from the upside. We are losing this MA21 and the ribbon band momently also. Yes, we have still a long position, but it's possible that this ribbon band will turn into the next red wave, and that would be very, very, very bad for us if we will like see a mooning pumping Bitcoin. Okay, that's this thing on the 4-hour chart. Let's check now the 1-hour chart. And on the 1-hour chart, we have some things to watch. And I showed you this, guys. Let's remove all things here. Let's remove the drawings. Let's remove the indicators. This is our cup and handle pattern. And we are still in this pattern, guys. Don't forget this. We are still in the cup and handle pattern. And I will show you here this curve from the upside to this point here to the downside. This is our cup. Or maybe we can make it like this here. This is our cup also. It's also working. It's not a problem. The baseline is the same. This line here, guys. This is our baseline momently. That's the baseline for our cup. And this is now the handle. We are building this handle. And we are still building this handle. From the upside to the downside. This is our handle. Look at this, guys. Look how perfectly this handle is working. Really perfectly. We hit it. This bottom here. This was a perfect rebuy point, 55,700 momently for this pattern here. So the cup and the handle perfectly. Now let's check this next thing, guys. You know it. If we are making a Fibonacci from the highest point to the lowest point of the cup, we have a 50% line here. And the important thing for this pattern is that we must stay over the 50%, over 55,100. I told you that in the other videos also. As long if we are over this line, over this 50% line, everything is fine with our pattern, but we need to stay over this. So momently we are forming a perfect handle here, and now we have to wait for a breakout. This is now momently a good position to buy. If you're not in Bitcoin, this is not the baddest thing to buy now here on this downside under this ribbon band. Or maybe you wait for a spike over the ribbon band and a confirmed breakout over the ribbon band. You're losing money for waiting for sure, but it's maybe a safer thing to rebuy here on the upside, and you hope it's going like this maybe to this point, and then bam to the outside. To the upside, and we have a nice target to the upside. This is, in my opinion, the first thing we have to watch. 65,000. Look at this one. That's the 161.8 Fibonacci line. And yes, we are still on this way. Nothing changed, but on the big time frame, on the 1 day time frame, I have a little bit a problem with this shoulder, head, shoulder, and this losing things of the 4-hour stuff and so on and so on. So guys, attention, attention. Keep calm if you are trading. Attention if you're trading now. It's a dangerous moment. You can see the daily and the 4-hour time frame. The thing is going into the bearish direction, and on the 1-hour time frame, everything is nice. Everything is okay if you are cup and handle. We need to stay calm and keep attention about what's going on. As long as we are here over this 50%, everything is nice. Everything is okay. Guys, that's the daily update for Bitcoin. Very important, once again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And guys, please join my channel, Bitcoin Trading Informant, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week on YouTube and Twitch. It doesn't matter if you go long, if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions out there. Guys, I forgot something. I see it now here on my live stream. I drawed here today this picture, this triangle picture on the 1-hour chart. You can see it here on the live stream. One thing we have to watch is this one, guys. We are momently forming this triangle. Let's remove this stuff. No, not important. I would like to have this stuff here on the chart. Let's see here. We are forming here this triangle. You can see it here on this little picture here on this chart. That's the live chart on my live stream. And yes, this is a Bitcoin triangle pattern on the 1-hour chart. And this is a thing I am watching also here. If it will break out to the upside, this would be a very nice target to the upside, also at 70,000 about. And if we break it to the downside, we have a bad target about 40,000. So we have to watch this also. And you can watch this on my live stream 24 hours, 7 days a week. This is a live thing, and you can see the price moving here. This is this little red line. Okay, guys, that's it for the day. I hope, guys, you have nice trades out there and you make millions. Greetings, and I hope we see us tomorrow, or I am here always on the live stream and on the chart, and you can and the chat, and we can chat If you have any questions, you can write it in the chat, and we are here to answer your asks, to ask your answers. No, to answer your questions. So guys, thank you very much, and bye bye.
System activated.